The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra just dropped, and your accessory game needs to keep up. From screen protection to fast charging, we've hunted down the 7 best Amazon accessories available right now. Stick around, number 4 will completely change how you use your Fold. Kicking things off at number 7, the FNTCASE for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is made for anyone who wants solid, all-around protection without giving up daily convenience. It brings military-grade drop protection, a reinforced hinge guard, a built-in screen protector, and full MagSafe compatibility. Basically everything you'd want on one of Samsung's most premium foldables. The translucent matte back keeps fingerprints at bay while still looking clean and modern, and the cutouts line up perfectly with the buttons, ports, and hinge mechanism. Day-to-day, it grips well, absorbs impact reliably, and plays nice with MagSafe chargers and accessories. Great for both work and travel. The added hinge protection gives extra peace of mind against drops, and it still stays fairly slim next to bulkier rugged cases. Stack it against something like Spiggin's Tough Armor Pro, and FNTCASE holds its own with similar protection at a friendlier price, even if Spiggin edges it out slightly on finish and brand polish. All in all, it's a great value pick for anyone who wants strong protection, everyday usability, and MagSafe support without paying flagship prices. Coming in at number 6, the OWKEY magnetic case is built for people who want protection, magnetic convenience, and hands-free use, all rolled into one. It features full-body hinge coverage, MagSafe compatibility, a built-in adjustable stand, and a translucent matte finish that resists fingerprints while still looking sleek. The shockproof build handles everyday bumps and drops with ease, and the precision cutouts and button covers keep everything smooth without getting in the way of the fold. That built-in stand really stands out, perfect for video calls, binge-watching, or multitasking on that big foldable screen. Next to a premium option like Spiggin's Tough Armor Pro, OWKEY throws in the extra convenience of the stand and MagSafe support at a lower cost, even if Spiggin still wins slightly on fit and finish. Bottom line, this is a smart mix of protection, functionality, and value for Fold users who want versatility without splurging on a top-tier brand. At number 5, the Meifigno 45W wireless charging station is a genuinely useful all-in-one setup for Samsung users juggling multiple devices. It wirelessly charges compatible Galaxy phones, buds, and watches, and adds a foldable 20-watt wired stand for your Galaxy Tab on top of that. A built-in digital clock and ambient light make it a natural fit for a nightstand or office desk. The foldable design stays compact enough to travel with, but sturdy enough for daily use. And it does a great job cutting down on cable clutter while keeping every device within reach. In practice, it's dependable for overnight charging and quick top-ups, though wireless speeds still depend on what device you're using. Compared to something like the Samsung Wireless Charger Trio, Meifigno pulls ahead with its added tablet stand, clock, and lighting, delivering strong overall value. It's a great pick for anyone deep in the Galaxy ecosystem who wants a tidy, space-saving charging hub at a fair price. Number 4 is the PowerLot 45W 2-port wall charger, built for anyone juggling Samsung, Apple, or Android devices who wants fast, simultaneous charging without lugging around a bulky brick. Its GA construction keeps things compact and cool running compared to older silicon chargers, and PPS support means it delivers optimized fast charging to the Galaxy S21 through S23, Z Fold and Flip models, and other PPS-compatible phones. In real use, it can push a Galaxy S23 to about 50% in roughly 30 minutes, and it's flexible enough to charge a MacBook Air or iPad Pro on one port while topping off a phone on the other, though total output is shared across both ports. The build feels solid, with a compact matte shell, foldable prongs, and built-in protection against overheating and overcurrent. Compared to Anker's 45W WSKEN 2-port charger, PowerLot is usually the more affordable option, though Anker holds a slight edge in thermal management and cable length. Overall, it's a strong budget-friendly choice for multi-device households and frequent travelers who care more about value than brand name. At number 3, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are built for Galaxy users who want premium sound paired with genuinely useful AI features. The two-way speaker setup with dual amplifiers per bud delivers deeper bass and clearer highs, while adaptive ANC 2.0 offers more precise, real-time noise cancellation than the standard Buds 4, and the IP57 rating means they can handle up to 3 feet of fresh water for 30 minutes. The real headline feature is live translation, which handles two-way conversation translation, right in your ears, no app or phone swapping required, though this and the other AI perks need a Galaxy S26 series phone to unlock. In everyday use, the ANC holds up well against street noise, office chatter, and transit rumble, and the touch controls feel snappy and reliable. Build quality is strong too, with a redesigned case that holds the buds securely and 3 ear tip sizes for a comfortable fit. Compared to Apple's AirPods Pro, the Buds 4 Pro offer deeper Android integration and translation capability Apple simply doesn't have, though AirPods still win slightly on cross-platform flexibility. At around $209, it's a great value for Galaxy loyalists. Just know non-Samsung users won't get the full experience. Almost at the top, number 2, is the MOKiN portable charger, a compact, cable-free power solution built for travelers and commuters. Its biggest selling point is a 2.3-foot retractable built-in USB-C cable, so you never have to pack a separate cord, combined with 45-watt PD fast charging capable of delivering a 66% charge in about 30 minutes. The smart display shows live battery percentage, wattage, health, and temperature. A small but genuinely handy feature for keeping tabs on your charge. Build quality feels solid, and that retractable cable is rated for over 20,000 pull-in retract cycles, backed by safety protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. In real life, the 10,000 mAh capacity comfortably gives you about 2 full phone charges, making it ideal for flights, long workdays, or nights out. And it's TSA carry-on compliant to boot. Compared to the MOMAX mini portable charger, which has a slightly longer 25.6-inch cable at the same 45W output, MOKiN stays a touch more compact while matching it on performance. It's an easy recommendation for travelers and commuters who want tidy, reliable backup power at a reasonable price. And taking the top spot, number 1, the WSKEN Screen Protector Kit for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is designed to protect both the delicate inner flexible display and the outer front glass without messing with how the Fold actually works. The kit includes 2 inner TPU films and 2 front 9H tempered glass sheets, plus an auto-align mounting frame that snaps everything into place to keep installation bubble-free and crease-free, even for total beginners. The inner TPU film is engineered to flex through repeated folding without creasing, while the 9H front glass adds real scratch and impact protection to the cover screen. In real-world use, that alignment frame makes what's usually a fussy install on foldables surprisingly painless, and the case-friendly fit means it should work with most Fold 8 cases without issue. Compared to competitors like Spigen's Easy Fit protectors, WSKEN matches the guided install experience, but bundles both inner and outer protection together, while Spigen typically sells those separately. Given how expensive foldable screen repairs can be, this is a smart investment for any Z Fold 8 owner wanting peace of mind without sacrificing touch sensitivity or fold feel. An easy recommendation for anyone wanting affordable, hassle-free protection for both screens. That's our top 7 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra accessories for 2026. Links to everything are in the description below. Which one are you grabbing first? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for more Fold 8 Ultra content coming your way soon.